Left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will never. I kill or no kill out here, man.
Yeah, we
Young can't dead so easy, brother.
Yeah, me can't dead so easy.
Young can't dead so easy, man.
I one lily vine, me see there.
And then a
I
plant
can get
them
her from.
Look here, you am something with your head, you know.
You am the pan side there. Over there, so.
You am something with your head, you know. So we actually where head them there.
Yeah, certain time at
Did I
here.
take them?
Then we must have a killing a plan.
Wait. Now you know have yam now.
Oh, I know yam time.
Oh.
Eh?
I would even go visit Jerry Farm, you know, what you say? I wouldn't be going to Jerry Farm.
Eh?
I wouldn't be going to visit Jerry Farm.
Them boys said they want to go down the next week.
That's good time.
Yeah. Very big time.
We need to get some capital from him. How am I read?
Them up that shit.
We need to go check parsley, you know.
Yeah.
We need to go check the white parsley, you know.
Leave name one name over there as well.
Where parsley?
Master.
Don't have something, man.
Brandon.
No, don't have.
Manchester, Mandeville. Mandeville.
Yeah,
I want to top pants, man.
Yeah.
The white person.
Come on.
You go per se, me see. You know, left with thing, man.
We get France and Elizabeth, man. Good, man. Everybody fans, you know. Born to everybody, you know.
Everybody.
Yo.
For everybody pays, man.
Yo, one thing with Dwight only want to find a free time, you know.
That's a lie.
As that man sit down right on YouTube every second. Your body can't tell you from right now to set in a YouTube.
Yeah, we'll respond to him comment.
Yeah, man, Dwight, man. I'm good, man. It's a boss. I'm my boss, man.
Man, we support you all the too, man.
Yeah, man.
All of the channel. Them.
Yeah, man. Man, they ask something. I went to this brother, you know.
Enough more did it too. Support we all.
There's a brother when you lean down out there, let me tell you about him, you know. Him is a man who watch YouTube, you know, but him not watch YouTube for good, you know. Him watch YouTube for all the bad. So, you only want to make one little something where you talk good, you know, but one little mistake you make,
I hit him here.
I hit him here.
I regular make cuss him, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I see him, man.
Yeah, man, I regular make cuss him, man.
Sentence, man.
Yeah, man. Mix up, man.
Yeah, man, I mix up, man.
Love it, fuck it.
Yeah,
Mix
man.
up. You know, me a virgin will stay so when I know you to me know.
Yeah.
When you on him a reason, you know. Now care what you tell him, say, you know, him can't remember that tomorrow, you know, but make your mouth miss, no?
I got him here.
Anyhow your mouth miss and you make no mistake, all 30 you remember.
No,
that.
different from that still your mouth around, so me still in a
My mouth. My mouth can't miss. I'm going to tell you,
your mouth around for
I
me
just
still.
got some people listen for you, know? If your mouth
Only one
miss.
thing.
Yeah.
Only one. Hey, let me tell you. Let me tell you what go on, man. Just Lyndon. He's a man who me a try to tell you. He's a man who listen to bad. But watch out now. If you don't know what you do, you quarrel and cuss him. But him no business.
Him no business.
Him no business, you know.
That's trouble him.
Any next time you post a next video, him will really tell you something, see you, boy. That's how me and him becomes general, man. For one time that man, hey, no video when I post in a way, man, I say, yo, how that bread, man? Bread, man, this bread, man, that. When that time I say, brother, allow for me, no, man, I take too much sweat from my brother.
Yeah.
When allow me alone,
You can't follow
man.
them up, man. You
You
have
see
to
me?
left them.
And when I time, like,
You must stop
general,
it
I
up.
say, yo, right now, I quarrel me and I quarrel to my, yo.
Me
That
cuss
time I
him,
say,
me
but this
cuss
man, I
him.
come like in there for business.
You don't give a
He just
fuck.
have to put in for him part.
I dry my
Say
dry
him
out.
over. I just a fans, you know. I just a fans. You have to love him, see him.
Yeah,
All
can't
right,
have
now,
him.
me cuss him too. I'm going to tell you, me cuss him. Me cuss him, I tell you, me
Me don't watch
cuss him
it.
wicked.
I don't fuck with me see right. I don't pay them no
Me
mind.
cuss him wicked, brother.
Him
but
fi
I want
stop
him-
it.
Yeah, him now,
Eh?
he
Him
don't
fi stop
fuck
it.
Him not going to stop.
Him fi stop it.
Nah,
Him
what's
not
that,
going to
man?
stop. Get what you need for
You
real
think
life.
everybody are going to argue with him?
No.
No.
But who want to argue? When we look funny, you're going to be just a damn base.
Just ignore him, sir. Yeah, you must
Just a
have to
damn
stop.
base.
No,
Brother.
when you argue with him, it's good for him.
Eh? Then the man
good
that sit
thing.
down in place, man, and look somebody for argue with, man.
Yeah, and laugh off
You know,
of it.
can't stay there and go like
Me
an
can't
idiot.
argue with him, man.
Yo,
can't
I'll
tell
say,
him to.
whenever time the general take in now, we give him a big up, a thumbs up.
Yeah,
Give him
yeah,
answer
pick
them.
him up.
And yo,
I must spice everything, so.
yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me
I'm
want
look at
somebody to
general
argue
right.
with too, you know.
Yeah.
That's why I see it.
What's
I'm
my
looking at
say
general right now.
But not him, not him.
I'm a general right
Me
now.
don't
man.
argue with him.
No, man, we afraid him.
No, I'm not like that. Them two mix up.
He too big up.
Mix up till it's a shame.
Yeah, man, them two mix up the two, man.
Same man mix up till it's a shame, man. I win that in, man. You think I easy, boy?
The minute me and him have to trade.
You have to say something boy live or something
Yeah.
about one
Yeah,
video.
man.
I ever depend live them too, you know.
Everything in the pan, man. And that's why in general, man. At them, at that side, I'm look pan straight, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know, look pan, but not just my youth. You see, alright, what do you know about saying my youth? And you know, say, oh, we did the reason, but the man say, not no good by reason, you know. The man say, so, like say, oh, so no look fish or something, man. This say man gone now, you know, brother.
Yeah,
fish
yeah.
argument, you know.
Fish argument,
Yeah, man.
no, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, them a look for something before I read your boat, brother.
Come in with one bag of fish
Yeah,
argument.
man. But I hear that, so I find him out and just know if you want to win, you know. I mean, you're not set up for bullshit, you know.
No, sir.
If I quarrel, then you want to go ready, you know.
Relax, man.
Yeah, man.
Ready? You're right, that man.
Yeah, man, it's a man like you, man.
Ready
You ready
take
for
all
anything,
this,
you know?
brother?
Yes, so people, show them how I go on, man, and show them so they are do some shit, man. Yeah, man, place look
Yeah, man.
100%
Yeah, man, see me,
looking
man,
good.
I hurt, man.
From before. How the man say I go on, so let me alone, you know. You can't
Yes.
pass, you know.
This I get nice.
Oh, you can't go down here.
You can't pass. Yeah, man, right, huh? I'm going, yeah?
You have waste your principle.
Yeah.
Can't fool them, you know.
Yeah. That's why I drink water from them. You made there a circle last time.
Hey, but me not thirsty now.
Kind of wish.
Them carcoon with them on.
Keep this, eh?
Them thick with them, yeah. One of them they made up and swing song pan when me a youth up a bring back and gun it.
I just say Japan, near Japan, go with.
It stop crossing gutter with me.
Then I look rotten, man. Then I look like they were boss.
So like how you see that one there, see it up in our tree there? Gone up on the hillside there. So we kind of just have that hand up there so
Pick
cut
the tree,
off.
man.
Yeah. So we swing pan it, go from over there so to back over there so. But anyhow we stop in our middle with you. You
So
can't go sun or so.
Yeah.
Well, dear me, you just sit down pan in our middle and look down in a gully there. Can't go up or come a blood clot. And sit there and look down, brother. My time auntie can't see me, auntie say me look. Auntie can't see me pan this sit down well relaxed there, brother. Over in a space.
You know, see, no bad time down there, so.
Auntie come down there and dry in here, me come up. Auntie tap it down.
You did. I tap it up this stuff.
Almost, hey, when my cousin come in course, man, they tell me something if you go down, they got trouble in me one, you know.
Yeah.
But me just couldn't hear. Me gas spring and go take a ride, you know.
Yeah.
So there's something stopping at me with. Can't call auntie, you know, because me can't make you know about it, you know.
No glimpse up.
I see them now, see me I come from spring and come look. Up in a middle, brother.
Nah, let go.
Nah, if you let go, you know the miles where you drop.
Fuck.
Fuck. Can't let go, brother. Me have to just do the look down like eagle. Yeah, you know, walk, look down fan
But
chicken.
at least you that sense too.
Then what could I make me have?
You that sense and time enough, man.
Except you know, let go.
Yeah, then you know must have sense to know, so you don't feel like go.
Let go, this have to dry and rotten with me.
Yes, I.
Yeah, me plan for sleep there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, then now me can't come off, you know.
So when you're sleeping, I got to pop.
Nah, man. We have a little stick tie pan, you know, so when you go up, you put foot round you and hold on, you
You
know.
sit down.
You sit down, you know, like a swing song, you know.
Okay.
Can't drop off, you know, man.
You can't sleep then, man.
I sleep there, then if I don't sleep, them want try come off, you know.
Can you know what's my most call look
And
here?
my cousin now we come and come draw me in, but I don't know until I come look. But look, sister, this fuckery have to come down. And that we don't have no more, brother. And palm tree come down out at you, know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I tell you, say we strong, man. You can't bust that, brother. See all the one over there. You see them fat? Like tree, you think that tree that. Alright. Use them.
No more time of them.
Me don't know about you, know.
Come on, let's have talk with them, you think, man.
I say me don't know about cut down to keep the water in it. Papa still have on Clark Cannon Stone, yeah?
Come on, let's have a look at them.
catch fire.
Yeah, we are used to on our place.
No lighter there.
But a bush cracker stand up for one stone. We're ready.
Eh? We ask you say Paul Bogle for money. Him say yes for the $2. Where $2 there?
No.
No, $2.
Really high.
Yeah man, you up the man, big up on yourself. So
All Bogle for
me here say what go on there now. Other day them do some boom and make a look up. Then see them find a man who alive.
Where?
Just like just looking like Paul Bogle and everything. You see me?
That's how way.
You don't know what them find him, and my daughter me here call her tell me what they here. Eh? No, she I work down something there. Down St. Elizabeth here.
Paul died.
Hmm?
Yeah, them kill Paul.
So who the guy with them find like him? I look like him.
Yeah, you saw that image. Paul
Look
died,
alike.
man. Somebody look like Paul. Remember, so we are no wood and stone, you know.
No. We need to visit Stony Cut one day.
Yeah, me have a trip to up there, no?
Who wanna go?
Yeah, me have a trip to. Me a see coach.
People they want you,
information.
when I find they want you to talk about it, the police where they lock up the little girl with the mask and charge them 200,000.
And I police charge him, I
The
judge.
judge, yeah, the judge. They charge the
Right
little
now,
girl.
me here say the judge now have no fixed price for charge you, you know.
Yeah.
And he say them charge people at $700,000.
So why?
They don't know, they not just plan for broke
How
the country.
old was the little girl?
No. Exactly.
Them just plan for broke the country, you know, because them find say some people make too much money and they not get none.
The little girl a country?
I don't know. Them a broke the country, man. So when here we know, when they take our money, we don't have none.
I country a broke with.
Yeah?
Because we don't have the money.
Them a
And
broke
when
we,
time
man.
them charge you in our country, them not say country get it. I will get
Country
it.
get
I
what?
will get it.
Country get
I
what?
don't know. That's me ask you, I will get it.
And the country poor, so.
Yeah.
And I fuck with them and the fuck with them.
Continue.
So right now, if me get catch and I go charge, you know, say me not go pay, you know, me have to pay. You understand me? But we are charging me for it. Kill off of myself. Look, if you know, sister, I want cruelness out of me. If me not try kill myself, you
Draw down them
charge
two
me. And
little
if me
one
kill
the
myself, you
That's
still
still
a
a
Draw them
charge.
up, draw them now.
This
So
is
with that you do to me. Eh?
So?
You don't have to do that to me, man. No, man, you have to make
But
natural death kill me, man.
I know what prison
Yeah,
some
man,
people
make
are
me
able to
dead
charge.
off a natural
A man never
cause,
charge you
man.
money where you can't find. You can't even find money to buy food, much less to find money to go pay that. My youth, it really stay away, my youth, when a man charge, because if a person charge you money and you can't find that money, where you go get, where you go do?
Remember the
Yeah,
money
prison
when you
man.
And then I
charge
say how
some
much
people
prison
not
man
even
you?
not here, you not pay them that, you know.
You not see that
Yeah,
for their
here.
lifetime.
You not pay them that
You
amount
not
of
see that
money,
for
you
your
know.
lifetime.
And you charge me that to kill off of myself. Then that look good? People no check on themselves and check what we are doing to each other, you hear?
Need to do.
This
That
can't
need to do,
look good,
brother.
you know.
That need to do.
Yeah, we have to check and look what we are doing to each other, you know. Yeah, man. 'Cause remember, if me commit suicide, if me not dead, me get charged, you know. If me try to commit suicide, you know, me get charged, you know.
I get charged
That
with
means me attempt
attempt
suicide,
murder.
you understand me? What go up, me I get charged, you know.
Immediately I get
So that when you get charged and pay that charge, you know, still can come back on yourself.
You still can go back, but them no matter, them get the money where you pay. Yeah. So now we turn around now. Where you have to pay to kill off of yourself.
Better them say if them catch you, I try hang yourself then.
Yeah.
Them take you and put you at a place where that cannot happen.
Yeah.
You understand? No road,
No,
no
it
road,
can
no-
charge
no-
a little fine. A little fine can charge. That means you will know, so you have to obey the system.
But
You
not so much.
understand me?
Not so
When
much.
you have broke
515
people
grand.
not even have 100,000
5
a
grand
month
should be
in our
released.
country.
Yeah, that they are saying.
And you
5 grand?
charge people so much money.
5 grand?
I think it's too much.
How could
That's
them,
a people
man?
weeks pay that you talk about.
What may I say for even that?
5
If I
grand
even
people
that.
weeks pay, brother.
But 200,000, where you gonna find that?
Yeah, people will get 5 grand and less than 5 grand a week, you know, brother.
What may I say? That negotiable. Because I know most the same day you have
But
to
them
pay.
big money
You
charge,
understand?
brother,
So
how
you
much
can
are we
save
ever
that.
see them money
Easy,
there?
easy and pay 5 grand. But to pay 200,000 and prison me go man.
Eh, what people ever see
Prison
them
me go
money
end up
there?
you know.
A real meds, man.
Then where me go find this okay.
A real meds.
Yeah,
look good, man.
They need to check and check about the people them what them a charge to. When you hold a
Yeah.
person,
That's
brother,
right.
you
It's a
can't just
pressure,
charge
brother.
him, son.
No.
You better you go check him background and all them things there before you do what you do, brother. But
Remember, you know, brother, if me say me can't do this, it affect me. Remember when you go doctor, you know, the doctor asks you why you're allergic to, you know. You're allergic to pill, him not give you no pill. Him check if you're allergic to the injection, yes or no. If you're allergic to the injection, you know him can't help you. Kind of give you know, kind of want to trouble, you know. He might find some source to tell you how to get the medication, you know. Don't it? Yeah, then we are kill off of me. But then if me say me allergic to this something, not try to force me to take it.
sure.
Not push it on me. It will kill me. Me not like that. Make me tell myself, say, this good for me, and me I go take it.
Sure.
Right, you understand me? And me know the good way it can do for me, so me we go and take it.
A real meds.
Yeah, man, me not talk fuck man. You can't push something for me where me tell myself say no good for me. And you not show me no way how it good for me. Then you not kill off of me, man.
Sure,
I
man.
have to take time with me, man. Yeah, man. Because me must know what good for me, you know. Before me drink box milk and it run my belly. Where you go tell me, say, a source of box milk you go put on the market. Then me know we go and drink jelly water then, man, because me have to think about myself.
Yeah.
You understand me? Yeah, me have to think about myself, man.
Sure, man.
I just say think, brother. No man no have to beat, no man to put nothing in them, or them no want in them. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So everybody a look good health, you know. Everybody in the earth right now I seek the best of health.
That's all right.
Anything when you know say good for you, you go take it, brother. You go for it. But sure me say this good for me, I make me say yes, this good for me.
Yeah.
And me can take it.
Right.
Yeah. And just get up at a heat, so I don't know where me a heat, me a idiot, me know with dead man, me know we take poison. Yeah man, me can't, me get something on the arm, so you know. And no place me go on the house, me want something to eat, and me say no.
Yeah.
Because me not tell myself, say it's not a place now to eat, and it's not a time now to eat. So me no eat nothing, because no eating time, and no eating moment now. You can't just get up and name everywhere, so like you idiot, man. You will name poison, man. Yeah, me and a rat, you know, rat name anything or anyway, you know.
Sure.
Oh, anything, anytime, anywhere, so true that him just name poison and dead. Anytime. Him no bother, nothing with him name.
No, I not go to bed hungry.
Alright, him nah go to bed hungry.
You better
see.
name poison, man.
Remember good no, man. Yeah, man, him rather name poison and dead. Me not live my life, so me cherish my life, you know. Because me don't have nothing else to cherish, you know. Nothing else me not have to cherish. All the rest of things that me have, me not try to cherish them, you know. Me just have them because me have to use them, you know. But life is a thing where give to me. You understand me?
Yeah.
And me work for life, you know. Life give to me. So me have to cherish it, brother, because if me lose it, me don't know how to get it back. Yeah, man, if me lose my money, me can't get back some more money. Yeah, man, if me lose more money, me can't get the next one. Me lose my house, me can't get the next house. You understand? Fuck, me lose life, how me I go get back life? Me don't know about that, you know, and nobody never tell me that yet from a barn. Nobody never tell me say they lose life already and get it back. No man at all. So that me cherish, that me worship life. Yeah. Everything else, I use them. I get them to use. Yeah.